Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are using an unactivated Microsoft Office of any version, you can activate it now with just one small and light software. It is good to use valid science key to activate the Microsoft Office and Microsoft Windows. Anyhow, let's get started. First, find the Windows security. Now you have to find the virus and threat protection. Now click on it. Now go to the menu settings. Now disable all these options. Do what I'm doing. Disable all these options. The next step is to download the light and small software that I told. The link is in the description. Once file is downloaded, extract it into a folder. Now double click on this application. Click on more info. Now click on run anyway. Follow the steps as I am doing here. After doing these steps, the file will be installed on your computer. Now search KMS in the search bar. The application is here, you have just installed, open it. The application is opened here and Microsoft icon is here because this is unactivated. If your Windows is unactivated, the window icon will be here. Now click on the red button. The Microsoft Office will be activated. Open your Microsoft Word. Click on File. Click on Account. Now you can see the product is activated. Congratulations. Please subscribe my channel for more technical videos. Thank you very much.